Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use Figma quickly. Figma is a powerful, cloud-based design tool that allows for real-time collaboration. To begin, open Figma and you will see your dashboard. From there, you can create a new design file or project. Familiarize yourself with the three main panels: the Layers panel on the left, the Canvas in the center, and the Properties panel on the right. This setup helps you manage your design elements and their attributes effectively. Now, let's dive into the core tools. The Frame tool is essential for defining your design's boundaries, acting like an artboard or screen. You can easily create basic shapes such as rectangles, circles, and lines using the Shape tools in the toolbar. Once a shape is on your canvas, use the Properties panel to customize its appearance. You can change its fill color, add a stroke of a specific width, or even round the corners of a rectangle with a few clicks. Next, let's add some content to your designs. The Text tool allows you to insert text layers, which you can then format with a wide range of fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand. To bring in visuals, simply drag and drop images directly onto your canvas or use the Place Image option. A powerful technique is image masking, where you can place an image inside a shape, creating visually appealing and custom cropped graphics for your layouts. Finally, let's talk about sharing and exporting your work. Figma excels in collaboration. You can easily share your design files with team members, allowing everyone to work together in real time. Use the comment feature to provide feedback directly on the canvas, streamlining communication. When your design is ready, export assets in common formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. This ensures your designs are ready for development or presentation, making handoff incredibly smooth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.